Welcome to Trends Tech, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tools and technology. Join us as we explore curated collections of innovative tools for every project. Elevate your precision work with the Fanttik E1 Max 3.7-volt mini electric screwdriver. This sleek aluminum alloy tool is equipped with high torque 0.2 Newton meters and low torque 0.05 Newton meters settings, ensuring accurate torque for all your delicate tasks, from electronics to precision instruments. The 50-in-1 magnetic bit set, crafted from durable S2 hardened steel, prepares you for any repair job, securely stored in an elegant magnetic case that delivers a satisfying pop-up experience. With a rechargeable, long-lasting battery capable of driving 400 screws on a full charge and a robust motor reaching up to 200 revolutions per minute, this screwdriver makes hard work effortless. The package includes a mini electric screwdriver, storage case, 50 precision bits, tweezer, pry bar, USB Type-C, charging cable, and a user manual, making it a comprehensive solution for all your DIY needs. Tackle any project with the DeWalt 20-volt max cordless drill and impact driver combo kit. The DeWalt 20-volt max cordless drill features a 2-speed transmission, 0 to 450 and 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute, and delivers 300 unit watts out of power, perfect for a wide range of application. Its compact, lightweight design and ergonomic handle ensure comfort and control, even in tight spaces. The 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provides superior bit gripping strength. The DF885 impact driver boasts a compact 5.55 inches front to back, lightweight 2.8 pounds, design fitting easily into hard-to-reach areas. Its one-handed loading 1/4-inch hex chuck accepts 1-inch bit tips and features a 3-lead light ring with a 20-second delay for shadow-free visibility. With 2 batteries and a charger included, this combo kit is your ultimate power tool solution. Simplify your DIY projects with the Skil Twist 2.0 rechargeable 4-volt screwdriver. Its pivoting head locks in 3 positions, 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees, providing excellent ergonomics for tight spaces. The adjustable torque setting control allows for precise application, while the forward and reverse trigger button enables easy one-finger use. Equipped with an LED light, this screwdriver offers enhanced visibility in low-light conditions. The integrated battery with USB-C charging port ensures convenience and ease of use. This 4-volt cordless screwdriver kit includes the power screwdriver, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and a 28-piece bit set with a plastic case, making it an essential tool for any toolbox. Get versatile with the DeWalt 20-volt Max Xer oscillating toolkit. Featuring a 3-speed selector, this tool allows you to adjust the speed to match any application. Its brushless motor delivers up to 57% more runtime compared to brushed models. The dual grip variable speed trigger provides ultimate control, while the universal accessory adapter ensures compatibility with most oscillating tool brands. The quick change accessory system enables fast and tool-free blade and attachment changes. Additionally, a bright LED illuminates dark work surfaces for precise cutting. This toolkit is designed to meet all your cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding needs. Discover the convenience of the Worx L4-volt Zip Snip cordless electric scissors. These powerful scissors cut through tough materials with ease, reducing hand strain. The automatic sharpening system ensures a clean, smooth cut every time, ideal for fabric, cardboard, and carpet. The 4-volt Max lithium battery holds a charge for months, offering reliable performance when you need it. Safety is paramount with a dual trigger system that requires both the trigger and lockout switch to be pressed for operation. Engineered with cutting-edge technology, these electric scissors are lightweight, only 1 pound, and easy to maneuver, making them perfect for die projects. The kit includes a USB-C charging cable and a 28-piece bit set with a plastic case. Unleash your creativity with the Herdle mini cordless rotary toolkit. This versatile tool set includes a high-performance, low-noise rotary tool with 61 popular accessories for all your fine die tasks, from carving and sanding to polishing and drilling. With 5 adjustable speed settings, 5,000 to 18,000 revolutions per minute, You can easily control the power to suit different applications, making it ideal even for beginners. Compact and lightweight, it's designed for ultimate precision and comfort, just like holding a pen. The 3.7-volt rechargeable battery provides up to 200 minutes of continuous use and charges quickly via USB. The integrated LED indicator ensures you have clear visibility in dark areas, enhancing the precision of your work. This kit includes everything you need: the rotary tool, USB charging cable, and a 61-piece accessory set, all housed in a convenient carrying case. Meet your new favorite tool for small projects: the Skil rechargeable 4-volt cordless screwdriver. Designed for everyday use, this screwdriver features patented circuit sensor technology, which safely detects electrical current in outlets, switches, and fixtures. It's incredibly easy to use. Just turn the collar to switch between forward and reverse. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting power, and you can charge it anywhere using the micro USB charging cable. The dual LED light makes it a breeze to work in dimly lit areas. This set includes a 45-piece bit set, USB charging cable, and a carrying case, making it a versatile and handy addition to your toolkit. Transform your cleaning routine with the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. This cordless electric scrub brush features a powerful oscillating head that scrubs 60 times per second, making quick work of everyday grime and restoring surfaces effortlessly. Designed to scrub up to 2 times faster than manual methods, it saves you time and reduces strain. The water-resistant performance ensures reliability in any cleaning situation, whether indoors or outdoors. Perfect for home cleaning, it tackles tight spaces around faucets, drains, tiles, grout, and appliances. It even takes on outdoor tasks like cleaning your patio grill, car trim, and more. Plus, it keeps shoes spotless by polishing and deep cleaning sneakers and boots. The set includes a powered handle, multi-purpose head, and 4 AA batteries, making it a versatile and essential cleaning tool for any household. Streamline your DIY projects with the Amazon Basics by Skil 4-volt cordless stick screwdriver. This rechargeable tool, capable of speeds up to 300 revolutions per minute, is perfect for smaller tasks. It features a built-in 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery and comes with a USB-C charging cable for easy recharging, USB-A to USB-C, with 3 torque settings providing up to 22 inch-pounds of torque, quick bit changes with a 1/4 inch collet, and an LED light to illuminate work surfaces in dark spaces. This screwdriver is designed for convenience. Its compact, slim body allows it to fit into tough, to reach places effortlessly. The kit includes the cordless screwdriver, 9-piece bit set, 1-piece bit holder, and USB charging cable, making it a must-have for any tool collection. Step into the future of precision repair with the Fanttik E1 Next workstation. Inspired by the Magic Keyboard, this all-in-one kit combines heritage elements with modern functionality. The electric precision screwdriver, featuring a pop-up mechanism for added security, cuts your work time in half with dual torque settings, 0.05 Newton meters and 0.2 Newton meters, and a manual gear up to 3 Newton meters. Its magnetic storage design keeps the 64S2 steel and nickel-plated bits organized, while 12 types of fixed tools, including an anti-static waist strap and various tweezers, cater to all your electronic repair needs. Perfect for phones, laptops, PlayStations, switches, and cameras. This versatile kit is a dream for enthusiasts and a perfect gift for your gadget-loving friends and family. Thank you for watching. We strive to bring you quality content every day. Our dedicated team, including video editors, screenwriters, designers, and content managers, works hard to create the best experience for you. See you in the next video.